What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Barber CVO in the building. We're here on a beautiful 43-degree weather Sunday. I'm gonna go for a ride to Garden State Harley. Maybe do a test run on a bike there. I don't know, my wife, I think she wants to do the trike. I don't know, we'll see what happens. But like I said, we got the heated gear. Get it ready to go. Let me show you our helmets. And I got my wife's, check out her heated gear. Hold on. See that heated gear right there? Boom. Matching set. We got our matching helmets from Simpson. His and hers. All right. And then we'll do a cold start like always, and we'll get on the road. All right, we're about to do a cold start. Let her rip, babe. All right, guys, we made it here to Garden State Harley. Check it out, check it out. Booyah. Sorry about my hair. My hair looks crazy. It's from the freaking helmet. You know, and guess whose bike's? I believe this is a Flow Rider. It's a bike, check it out. And the headless biker. Without even knowing, they showed up. Damn, what a coincidence. The headless biker. Cool. Let's go inside, guys, and check it out. All right, so I put the plug in here for my wife. She's gonna plug it in. There you go. That's all it takes. And then you got the heated gear. Pretty cool. Yeah, these are dope.
Huh?
Those are awesome. In Florida. Yo, what up?
What's up, dude?
What's
Good to
going
see
on?
you.
Good, good. What's up, man?
up, bro?
What's up, man? How you doing?
Good, good. Are you meeting up with June?
Oh, I don't know. I just came here with my wife.
Oh, really?
Why? What's going on?
No, June is coming here.
Oh, he's
Hi.
my
How
wife.
you doing?
My wife.
Nice to meet you.
No, we just drove up here just to say what's up. I didn't even know you guys were here.
No, actually, June and his cousin, they're coming here. Like his cousin wants to buy a bike.
Yo, how are those cams?
Oh man.
Did it wake up the bike? Like it's insane?
Hell yeah.
Oh.
Hell yeah. You ever heard it?
No, dude, I've been waiting to see your bike in person now with the cam.
Yeah, I usually put the torque pack. Here, hold this, babe. Just like record us. Okay. Hold it from here. I usually put the torque pack when I ride with her.
Okay. Oh, we got the gold Simpsons on too. Okay. It's bougie day. That is.
Yeah, I put the suspension in the bottom. Yeah, it sounds way better now with the new.
Did you get it down a tune?
Yeah.
Okay, nice.
I did everything the right way.
Right, exactly.
Yeah, I need to give him one of those.
They have it on Amazon. They sell it at Harley, but it's like $80 here, and on Amazon I bought it for $60, so it's like $20 cheaper.
Remember that time that we went to the food trucks in Connecticut?
Yeah.
I was like hating you so much, but like you were like we were cruising down and you had your Slurpee and they were like you were just sipping it.
I had a Slurpee here while we were riding.
You had the big bowl. Like I hate this guy so much.
Yeah.
That's great.
All right, signing out with the Headless Biker, and we met up with Flow Rider.
Yo, we out.
Yo, this thing's awesome. Are you planning to paint it or not?
Nah, this is the Harley gunmetal gray right here.
Ah.
No, I'm kidding. Yeah, I gotta paint that shit. I definitely gotta paint it.
Right there. He's coming in.
Yeah!
I said he's gonna bitch out right before we get there unless he's talking to Camila.
Yo, look who got here.
Then we came by like he's talking to Camila.
Yo, Larry!
How you doing?
How did you do it? How did you get him out here?
Dude, all you have to do is
Yeah. Your girlfriend's tougher than you, dude.
What's up, bro?
Come here, let me grab your ass, man.
What's up, kid?
It's good,
How you doing?
man.
My wife.
He told me you were riding. I said she don't like the cold. She ain't going.
How are you?
What up, kid?
my boy?
What's up, man?
Chilling?
Copy.
You know Jerry, coolest black guy I know.
Coolest black guy. Reputation precedes him.
What's this? Oh,
My
He's
gift.
talking about channel.
What's up, man? How you doing? Nice to meet you.
I said, what about Jersey Jerry?
We gotta
Photo?
reunite here. I didn't even know people were coming here. We just met up. Yeah, we all literally just met up here now.
Now we're late.
So it's a coincidence that all of us met here and at Garden State Harley, and we met up with the crew. We got Crazy Jerry, Marble Kid, and I think that's his cousin. They're about to do a video shoot right now, a little intro, very professionally. And yeah,
I'm the one who's mission now.
Headless Biker, Flow Rider.
You think you're switching now?
Look at that, bam.
You think you're switching now?
Alrighty. Came across this bike right here looking like mine. He's got the wrap fender. That's actually the one, my next project. It's pretty stock. What else did he put? Chrome bezel. I don't know if I like that. Not a fan of that. Doesn't look right. Well, to me. It's got the chrome works. Pretty stock. Nothing fancy. But I think the wheel, he definitely put a big wheel on here. I think it's, oh, it is a 21. Very nice. I think I like that. Next project, next project. All right. Sexy.
You getting sentimental? This the old one?
Yeah. This is an old bike, babe.
Huh?
This is a cool color. That was nice. Look how big the tire in the front is. That was nice. That's a nice tank. Look, these are the new ones. These are the new ones that came out. See with the little... That's cute. Go around. Back, front. Okay, Chris. Fat tire. Fat boy. $19 G's. Marvel Kid.
Marvel Kid, can't reach the floorboards.
Cameras out, Marvel Kid.
I was gonna bust his balls.
It's nice.
It's perfect for you, dude.
I can see you cruising behind me with this.
Behind you or ahead of you?
He said, so what do you think? I mean, you really like that red one, don't you?
Oh, damn.
What do you think, bro? I feel almost flat footed too. Like it's not that tall.
And if you put the suspension, the 12-inch Legends, it'll drop a little more. But you would have to get the 12-inch, not the 13-inch.
Yeah, I have the 13-inch on my dyne.
Yeah, when you get the 12, you'll be super flat-footed. It's nice, bro. My wife just bought the new gloves. These are a little different. She's not really into the wire thing that connects into there. These are more like a battery pack. Little small batteries, but they are from Mobile Warming, so they're not no cheap little gloves. They're pretty, how much are they? They were about $159. All right, and then you obviously you get your discount towards it, so all right. She's gonna give you a little review once we get home, see how she feels. All right, guys, we are leaving Garden State Harley. I got to see Marvel Kid, Jerry. right, guys, we got back just on the trip to Garden State, Harley Davidson. We met up with my boy Marvel, Headless Biker, Flow Rider, and Crazy Jerry. All right, so the review again on the heated gears worked amazing. It was my wife loved it. I bought her the gloves. She loved it. She didn't believe in winter gear, but now she does. So now that she got her winter gear, now she wants to ride with me all the time in the winter. So now that we got it, we're on the way anywhere. All right, so until next time, thank you for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. Let me know about the heated gear. All right, peace.